Child abduction alert has been issued statewide for the following child: Jocelyn T. Van Dunn, age 10, female, white, 5 foot 3 inches, 140 pounds, with brown hair and hazel eyes. Child was last seen at the 200 block of Fox Lane, Walworth, Wisconsin, and is missing from the village of Walworth, Wisconsin. She was last seen wearing a white t-shirt with an Eiffel Tower image, black pants, and dark shoes. Law enforcement authorities believe the child may be in the company of Jonathan J. Van Dunn, who may go by the nickname Kyle Wolfie. He's 33, male, white, 6 foot inches, 220 pounds, brown hair, and blue eyes. He was last seen wearing very short hair. They may be traveling in a 2014 white Dodge Ram truck with Illinois license plate 167007F, pulling a white camper with Wisconsin license plate 26902RV. Camper may have stickers that read, "Beware the bald guy," and a sticker on the front door of a table saw. If you have information on the whereabouts of Jocelyn T. Van Dunn, please contact Wisconsin Department of Justice at 1-800-674-9228. White
Tower image, black pants, dark shoes. Law enforcement authorities believe the child may be in the company of Jonathan J. Van Dyne, who may go by the nickname Kyle Wolfie, age 33, male, white, 6 feet 0 inches, 220 pounds, brown hair, blue eyes. Last seen wearing very short hair. They may be traveling in a 2014 white Dodge Ram truck IA license plate 167007F, pulling a white camper with WI license plate 26902RV. Camper may have stickers that reads "Beware the bald guy" and a sticker on the door of a table saw. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Jocelyn T. Van Dunn, please contact Wisconsin Department of Justice at 1-800-674-9228.